Good morning, guys. I have a road today. A school driver of my grandkids, because it will rain. I have to pick up and drive them to school, and then this afternoon same, pick up from school and then drive them home. I'll bring them here in the house so that Hazel will be happy. Hazel will be very happy. You know, guys, when they're here, Hazel is very happy. Yeah, because Hazel is their pet, not mine, but their parents does not like them. Hazel staying in their bedroom, and so when Hazel was a baby, she sleep with me, and she grew up in my sleeping here on my neck. That's her favorite spot, on top of my neck and chest, on my arms. Hazel is my pet cat. I thought I'll run over the bird. No, I will not run over any living things. Even if they're the smallest animal. It was a small bird, but I will not run over. My goodness. Picking up again. I hope they're all ready. They called me. Me to be true. I forgot the real lyrics. Oh, Carol, what happened to there? It is there. I thought it's there. I'm lost in the dark. Okay, guys, waiting. Where are they? They're not here. Come on, guys. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. See you next time.